Yo, what is up guys? My name is TylaDubya and today I am back with another beatboxing tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching the PF Snare.
Now I'm here.
TylaDubya Beatbox channel.
Yo, hold on real quick before we get into the video. If this is the first time you're seeing a video of me and you are not subscribed to the channel, you should consider subscribing, because I upload a new video every Thursday and stream often. And for all of you subscribers and soon to be subscribers, you should click that bell button, because apparently YouTube doesn't like to notify every subscriber that a video is uploaded. So go ahead, click that bell to guarantee that you know when I put up a new video. And for everybody watching right now, if you love beatboxing, drop a like down below in this video to show your love. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, today I'm going to be teaching the PF Snare, which is a basic drum kit sound that I consider necessary to have in your sound arsenal. Now the PF Snare is actually going to be a combination of a Percussive P and a Percussive F. Now the name kind of already states that, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I did want to make it clear it is just a combination of two percussive letters. Another thing before I really dive into this video, I do want to say that PF Snare can be done using your diaphragm or just pressing your mouth, which is always something I feel like is beneficial to know when learning a sound. It's honestly one of the first sounds I learned as a beatboxer, and I believe that it's going to be pretty easy for you guys as well to get it down. And I'm gonna make it even easier for you guys to learn this sound, because I'm gonna break it down into 3 easy, simple, beautiful steps. Now the first step to learning the PF Snare is gonna be doing a percussive P. Now if you think that sounds pretty easy, it's because it is. It's literally taking the letter P, taking out the vocalization, and keeping the percussive portion of it. So to practice this, just take any word with the letter P, like people, piranha, practice, poop, and just, percuss it. That really is the main concept though. Just take any word with the letter P and remove the vocalization, like people, people, people. It actually kind of resembles a kick drum, so if you know the kick drum, just try doing the same thing but with the letter P. If you don't know it, you can go check out my tutorial for that, link down below, but it is the same concept with a different consonant. So instead of B, it's P, P, B, B, P, P. Yeah, I said PP, get over it, we're mature here. So now that you beautiful people got the percussive P, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Now step number 2 to learning the PF Snare is gonna be a percussive F. Now the percussive F is actually known as the F hi-hat, and I came out with a tutorial for that last week, so go ahead, if you do not know the F hi-hat, check out that tutorial and then come right back here. The link for my F hi-hat tutorial will be right down in the description. Because my F hi-hat tutorial teaches the sound in full, I'm not gonna be talking about it here at all in this step, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the third and final step. Now I'm sure you guys already guessed it, but the third and final step to learning the PF Snare is comboing the percussive P and the percussive F. So what I want you guys to do is to take that percussive P and then do the F hi-hat at the same exact time, which is gonna sound a little bit like... Just to make sure you guys understand, I'm gonna go ahead and do some more examples slowing it down to make sure you understand the connection between the two sounds. Now the main thing you guys need to know when comboing these sounds together is that they do start at the exact same time, and to make sure that the F hi-hat is short so you get a nice clean and crisp PF Snare. So instead of you get... So those are the 3 steps to learning the PF Snare, guys. I hope you have it down by now. If you don't, do not be discouraged. Walk back through the steps in this video. But right now, we're gonna move on to some practice beats to make sure you guys perfect the sound. Do it. So for these beats, I'm going to be utilizing the Soundbrainer Pulse vibration-based metronome. I honestly feel that it's crucial to be using a metronome when practicing. It's really good to understand timing, flow, and rhythm. So if you guys want to get one, there will be a link down in the description below for you to go ahead and purchase it. For the first set of beats, go ahead and set your metronomes to 120 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same tempo, different beat, but this time, we're gonna dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this next set, go ahead and crank your metronomes up to 140 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same tempo, but we're gonna use the PF Snare to do a nice build up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all I got for the PF Snare, guys. I hope this video helped you both learn the PF Snare and practice and perfect it. And if it did, go ahead and drop a like down below. And subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell. And to share with all of your friends on all of your social media. Comment down below what your favorite beatbox sound is. Now I'm gonna find out the true subscribers who watch all the way till the end of the video. Support me on Patreon for all the dope perks. Buy yourself a metronome, link down below. Check out the links down below for all my equipment if you ever want to purchase yourself some new beautiful equipment. Stream my album Dragonfly on Spotify, buy it on iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, all of those, and have a fantastic day. I severed the strings from the puppet to cut them down.
Now I'm